roll. Introduce my favorite beer. Hi everyone, this is Kazu. Today I want to introduce to you guys how to make meat roll with vegetables. It's very simple, healthy, and all you need to do is buy soy sauce, and we make it and enjoy it with teriyaki sauce like the video before. So let's get on with it. Okay, what we want to do today is that we use vegetables, and vegetables, it doesn't really matter what you use. It can be carrots, it can be anything. So it can be cabbage also, and onions. But today I want to use paprika and asparagus and Japanese mushrooms, zucchini, and eggplant. And of course, the meat part. Soy sauce, sugar, and we use Japanese liquor, but if you don't have, I'm going to use white wine, like the previous video, and a little bit of garlic. So I'm gonna start by cutting these vegetables, and I'm gonna start cooking. So you want to take out the seeds because I don't like the seeds. 지식이네. 네. Okay, I'm cut with the vegetables, so I want to start rolling these vegetables with this meat, but first I want to introduce my favorite beer. This is called Asahi Super Dry, and it's very tasty, and it's like an Australian beer called Foster, but it's more rich, and I like the taste. So I'm ready. So let's get on with the meat. And so what you want to do is basically you want to choose what you want to have. You know, I'm gonna start with these paprikans and maybe yellow ones, and maybe a little bit of these, and yeah, this looks good. So maybe I wanna, roll them up. And a little bit of squeeze, and put it right here like this, and one is done. So the second one, maybe let's go with the eggplants, and maybe zucchini as well, and a little bit of paprika. And let's roll it up. Roll, roll, roll. And make sure you want to squeeze it like this so that it doesn't get off. You want to squeeze it like this, and so it doesn't get off. Okay, so we're done with the rolling ups, and it's like this at the moment. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the fire on and make sure it's warm. Okay, so what we want to do is that we want to make sure that the side of the thing is at the bottom, so you don't wanna, you wanna make these very burnt. Turn them over. Turn them over. So what you want to basically do is that you want to make sure that it's fried and it's not raw. So now, I'm gonna turn off. I'm gonna turn off the fire and a little bit of garlic. Soy sauce. White wine and sugar. And make sure you spread these out like this and put the fire on again. And make sure you spread it out. You want to spread these out so that it's equal in every roll. And now what I'm going to do is put a little bit of lid and put the fire on for 2 minutes, maybe 3. So I'm gonna open the lid. Wow, looks very good. Now I wanna check these a little bit, stir them up so that the sauce is inside the veggies. You know, you wanna taste the teriyaki sauce with the veggies also. So you wanna put the sauce into the meat and veggies. Okay, this looks very good. Now, maybe for a little bit, 1 more minute. Maybe 1 more minute. Okay, guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look at these veggies and meat roll. I mean, okay. So. Teriyaki sauce, of course.